Assalamualaikum viewers. Now I will discuss you about the transport in human. In the previous lecture I was discuss you about the transport of the material in the plants, how the water and how the food is transported from one part to another. So now we will discuss about the transport in a human. So this is the part of your body. How can the food is transferred from one part to another. So these systems contain two types of systems, you can say circulatory system and lymphatic system. Circulatory system, it includes your blood. The bloods in our bodies confined in the vessels, also in the veins. Okay, so now the important part of the circulatory system is belongs to the blood. How can you discuss you about the blood? The blood contains the plasma, also with the cell like bodies. You can say the blood is a specialized body fluid, a connective tissue that is composed of the fluid liquid called the blood plasma and blood cells. Okay, so it consists of the 55% of plasma and also the 45% of the cell like bodies. So if your body weight is vary from the body weight, like it is of about the 1 to 12 part of your body weight, and an adult have average rate of the blood you have, that is 5 liter in your body. So the blood plasma, when you talk about the blood plasma, you can say it is primarily water in which the protein, salt, metabolites, waste and dissolved particles are present. The main contained particles are the salt, protein and the waste digestive food, carbon dioxide and oxygen also. So when you call about the salts it's contain of the 0.9% of salts, in which the calcium, magnesium, copper are the trace ions. They are present in very little amount, but we call when calcium, sodium and the chlorine, these are the major component of the salt in the plasma, that is the part of the blood. When we call about the proteins, it is of about the 7 to 9% in the blood plasma. So when we call about the fibrogen, it is the blood clotting protein. Blood clotting protein का मतलब this is belongs to when an accident occur in your body, or maybe some wounds occur in there, so you want to close the blood to release it from the body. So when you use this protein, so the next is albumin protein, that is balancing the blood in water balancing maintaining occur by the albumin. So the next point is waste digestive foods and the respiratory gases like carbon dioxide and oxygens are also the part of the plasma. So these all the constituents part of the plasma which is related to the transport in the human, and it is the part of the circulatory system, the blood plasma, or also with the cis